Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel. Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel.
Are you curious to know today's Amazon quiz questions for 1st June 2021 and wish to win rupees 15,000 pay balance? So I'm going to start today's Amazon quiz. Here Amazon page, main page open now. Now from there to I am moving to home page. From there I am clicking on programs and features. So here programs and features came, and I scrolled down and opening Fun Zone by clicking on Fun Zone. So here Fun Zone win prizes every day, and today's quiz placed on the top. Quiz time now running 24 hours daily, starts at 12 a.m. Answer and win 15,000. Now I am going to start by clicking on Play Now button. Now one more FZ quiz time that displayed here. Daily quiz time. Answer all 5 questions. Enter the lucky draw to win the prize by answering all 5 questions correctly. So if you 5 out of 5 questions correct, then there is a chance to enter the lucky draw and to win Amazon Pay. Today's amount is 15,000 rupees. Now I am going to start by clicking on Start button. So here is the first question. Released in May 2021, Believe What Life and Cricket Taught Me is the autobiography of which Indian cricketer? Repeating the question. Released in May 2021. That book released in May 2021. The book name is Believe What Life and Cricket Taught Me. This is the autobiography of which Indian cricketer? So here the options are Virender Sehwag, Gautam Gambhir, Suresh Raina, Zaheer Khan. So which one you are guessing? Is it the autobiography of Virender Sehwag, or Gautam Gambhir, or Suresh Raina, or Zaheer Khan? Now my guess is this is the first option, Suresh Raina. So let us see whether it is right or wrong as per my knowledge. So first one I am guessing. So here Virender Sehwag. Not that. It is Suresh Raina. So the first option is Suresh Raina. Actually, I got the information from the net. So Suresh Raina written this along with Bharat Sundaresan. In this book, Suresh Raina takes us through the challenges he faced as a young cricketer. He was bullied in school and at cricket camps also, but he always punched above his weight, overcoming every adversity life threw at him and never giving up. This is the story of the lessons he learnt and the friendships he built. So released in May 2021, Believe What Life and Cricket Taught Me is an autobiography of Suresh Raina, the Indian cricketer. Now, second question displayed here. In April 2021, April 2021, which country became the first to bring in a law forcing its financial firms to report on the effects of climate change? Repeating the question. In April 2021, which country became the first to bring in a law forcing its financial firms to report on the effects of climate change? Here the options are France, Germany, Norway, New Zealand. So which one you are guessing? So which country became the first to bring in a law forcing its financial firms to report on the effects of climate change? So here my guess is New Zealand. That is the last one, fourth option. So clicking on it, New Zealand. So in April 2021, New Zealand became the first country to bring in a law forcing its financial firms to report on the effects of climate change. Now moving to third question, already exhibited here. President Biden has announced withdrawal of all American troops from which country by September 11, 2021. Repeating the question, President Biden has announced withdrawal of all American troops from which country by September 11, 2021. So here the options are Iraq, Syria, South Korea, Afghanistan. So which one you are guessing? So my option is here Afghanistan. That is the last option, fourth one. Okay. So that's the right answer. Super came here. So President Biden has announced withdrawal of all American troops from Afghanistan by September 11, 2021. Now, fourth question. So, first image of today's fourth question. This is an all-electric car made by which world-famous automobile manufacturer? So, Taycan Catro S that exhibited here. Those who are the lovers of car, they can easily tell it to the company. So, repeating the question, this is an all-electric car made by which world-famous automobile manufacturer? Here, the options are Mercedes, Porsche, Lamborghini, Ferrari. Which one you are guessing? So here this is undoubtedly this is a Porsche company's model. Okay, I am clicking on Porsche. So bang on came here. That is right answer, and we can know some more about this company's model. The name, actually, do you know the name? Porsche is primarily a gender neutral name of German origin. That means offering. What is the meaning of Porsche? Means offering. And also they kept the electric model Taycan. Taycan. The name Taycan roughly translates from Turkish language. It means lively young horse. The meaning of Taycan is lively young horse. The Porsche Taycan is an all-electric car made by German automobile manufacturer, Porsche company only. The concept version of the Taycan, named the Porsche Mission E, debuted at the 2015 Frankfurt Motor Show only. First debuted the Porsche Mission E at the 2015 Frankfurt Motor Show. The Taycan was revealed fully production ready at the 2019 Frankfurt Motor Show. More than 20,000 Taycans were delivered in 2020, and we can expect in India by 2022, I think. Okay, now last question of today's quiz. Identify this variety of mushroom. Here type of mushroom exhibited here, displayed here. So some different color. Okay, and you are asked to identify what type of mushroom, because so many varieties are there in mushrooms. Here some varieties are shiitake, portobello, porcini, enoki. So if you don't know, once you go through these all types, you can get some more knowledge about mushrooms and their qualities. And the first one is shiitake, portobello, porcini, enoki. So which one you are guessing? So here the right answer is sheet take. This model belongs to sheet take. So I am clicking on sheet take. Actually I gathered some information about this sheet take. This sheet take is an edible mushroom. It is an edible mushroom native to East Asia. It is native to East Asia, which is cultivated and consumed in many East Asian countries. It is considered a medicinal mushroom. Actually, it is considered a medicinal mushroom in some forms of traditional medicine. In a 100 grams reference serving, raw sheet take mushroom provide 140 kilojoules. That means 34 kilocalories of food energy and are 90% water, 7% carbohydrates, 2% protein and less than 1% fat. Raw sheet take mushrooms are rich sources, that means 20% or more of the daily value DV of B vitamins and contains moderate levels of some dietary minerals. And also when dried to about 10% water, the contents of mushrooms and numerous nutrients increase substantially. And also like all mushrooms, sheet takes produce vitamin D2 upon exposure of their internal ergosterol to ultraviolet B, that is the UVB rays from sunlight or broadband UVB fluorescent tubes. And also, do you know the use? So in 2015, a study with 15 adults indicated that regular consumption of sheet take can result in improved immunity. It improves the immunity of the body. And also, one type of high grade sheet take is called donko. One type of high grade sheet take is called donko, D-O-N-K-O, donko in Japanese, and dongu in Chinese. Literally that means winter mushroom. And also another high grade of mushroom is called huagu in Chinese. Literally it means huagu means flower mushroom, which has a flower like cracking pattern on the mushroom's upper surface. Both of these are produced at lower temperatures. So this is the information I have gathered about this giz. So I am clicking on sheet take. So that's right. So all today's 5 out of 5 questions along with some more information, I think. So here well done came here. You are eligible for a lucky draw in this contest. Amazon Pay rupees 15,000. That is today's amount. Check winners on 2nd June 2021. Keep listening and improve your skills, because nowadays the Amazon people are giving a very highly useful questions here posting. So those who likes GK questions, keep learning and try to get some more information along with the questions information. Okay.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.